How to fix Face ID and passcode missing in iPhone settings. So first of all, get to your settings. And in your settings, if you scroll down here, you can see there is no option of Face ID and passcode. Now what you're going to do is tap on screen time. After doing that, scroll down until you see content and privacy restrictions, tap on it. And then from here, scroll down until you see the option of passcode and Face ID. Tap on it, and currently here you can see don't allow is selected. Tap on allow and select allow. Now you can go back, and now you can simply refresh this application. Just like this, again reopen the settings application, and when you scroll down, here you can find Face ID and passcode. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.